Oh, hey guys. No, James here today. I haven't shown you the guys this yet. Oh, okay, that's bad. But look, guys, it's the James junkyard, guys. It's filled with junk. It's cool. Look at that. Pocket bike back there. Old bike. And look at this is my bike. It's actually under repair right now, but look how flat the tire is, guys. Squishy. It's flat. It's so flat. This one has a hole, but we got a MX350 back here. It's pink. Got our drift bike, which you all know we have. Which you all know I have. It's a drift bike. This is old. It's when my Segway died, so now I can't use it anymore. Just until my Segway starts. But here's one lawnmower, but back there, that's another lawnmower. And I call this one the Rainbow Chopper. So today we're going to try to get it from out here. And we're going to see if we could try to start it. So let's go. Let's do this thing. There's so much, dude. It's like all piled up behind all this stuff. Push that out of the way. I'll put you guys here. So y'all can see the lawnmower. Or whatever's down there. And the James junkyard. But you guys see? But I'm gonna put you guys right here. Yeah. Now, I'll lean you guys against this lawnmower here. Dude, oh. Run over the cars. Okay. Put y'all right here. Or try to get this Rainbow Chopper out of here, bro. It's like so old. Okay. Then I'm gonna move you guys for now. The footage. Rainbow Chopper. There we go. Move my Roadmaster. Ugh. This is heavy, bro. Wait, like this is actually heavy. Oh, wait. Scary. Now, move the drift bike out of here. And we can move MX350. Like, I think I have to, like, move all the junk, guys, out of here. And then put it back in. Yo, there's an electric scooter back here. But I remember I gutted it. And, I kind of made the wires a little hot, but it still works. All it needs is just a couple batteries, so yeah, we're still doing the Rainbow Chopper, guys. That's all we're doing. Now you can like kind of see. Oh my! We're just pulling the bikes. Yeah, dude, we have to move all of it. Perfect. Look at that Rainbow Chopper. Now you can see. Look at that, guys. You can now see the Rainbow Chopper right there. Look at that. Whoa. That is just sick. It's got this little thing all attached. Pull string's fine. So I think we can actually save it. So will this Rainbow Chopper be a save, or will it be a scrap? Wait, will this thing be rescued, or is this thing rescued? Is this thing? Should we rescue? Did we rescue it, or did we garbage it? So let's try. Get this thing out of here. Let's keep getting it. Let's keep moving more junk. It's actually not junk in my household. Ugh. We gotta move this, bro. Whoa, look at all of it like stuck. And the Rainbow Chopper is all the way back there. Ugh. Oh, nice. So I think this mower will start. So, move this thing out of the way. I remember that thing cutting nice, that rainbow chopper. It was perfect. So, move this. Bicycle. Now you guys can see that electric scooter I was talking about. Look, guys. See? Look at that. This electric scooter. This thing actually works. But as you see, I have no batteries, so it's just a future project. So I can hook up these wires. Anyways, let's just move this out of the way. Now we can finally get to the rainbow chopper. Yes, we got it! Let's go! Now let's go put this junk back where it belongs. Put it all back. So, how it's supposed to look. Hey, where's that old mongoose? There it is. So put this thing back in its place. Someday I might turn this thing into a fabulous e-bike. Someday. But let's just go put this all back where it goes. Oh no, wait, yeah. I have to put the lawnmower there, so put you guys on top of the rainbow chopper. So we can put this lawnmower back. We can put the bike there, but we gotta move it. There's a pocket bike. The rest of the other bikes. Got a Roadmaster, wheelbarrow. No one knows how that got there. And a MX350. So this should be a little easy to put back. But it's not that easy. It's not as easy as you think. So, but this thing has massive wheels. The rainbow chopper, humongous wheels. So I'll move this out of the way. I don't like using the back camera when I'm moving junk when I'm not holding it because you can't see what you're doing. So maybe I can get the Insta360 someday. Oh man, bro. This is heavy. Okay, now it's lawnmower. Let's put this blue custom spray painted lawnmower back here. Yeah, guys, I spray painted this thing, believe it or not. And so did I also spray painted the rainbow chopper as well. I rescued the chopper from the trash. So let's just let's just move this whole thing out of the way. Put this back. Oh man, bro. Wait, we have to put the electric scooter back there first. Bro, I'm having a feeling it is about to crash. This storming. I don't think it is because it's scheduled for tomorrow, so I'm just gonna, move all this stuff back where it all belongs, guys. This is old. Electric scooter. Yeah, look at that. It's all the way back there. Then I'm gonna flip the screen, guys, which this is only part 1. So I'll flip the screen so you guys can see part 2. Because this was a lot of work. Actually not. We'll just have this for one whole full video. Alright, let's put the drift bike right here. Oh no, this is where MX350 pocket bike goes. Alright, got the motocross. Wait, I meant pocket bike, not motocross. This is our motocross 350. Let's go put this thing here. This is our Razor motocross. This is our Razor motocross 350. Look at this, dude. The Razor motocross 350. This is sick. This thing is no chain, this bike. Maybe I'll turn it into an e-bike. Probably not. I'm probably just going to salvage this bike for something else. This right here. Dude. Yeah, dude. We're going to see if we recycled that lawnmower, the rainbow chopper, or we made it garbage again. So, back. This is heavy. Wait, no, like it's actually super heavy. Bro, everything is in here. It's like so heavy, bro. So, alright. Just finished cleaning up. Now, let's test this thing, bro. Been waiting so long. Finally, be able to test it, make sure it works. I need this wheelbarrow as a stand so you can see if this thing actually works. Let's see if this thing actually runs, bro. Highly doubt it, bro, because of how old it is. But we can try. Oh no. I'm not sure if you can see or not, but I'm so far away if you can't. Let's get this thing. Alright, bro. This is the moment of truth. We're gonna see if this thing turns on. Get rid of that marker. This thing turns on, bro. Alright. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Okay. Wait. Check the gas. I was so dumb to think of that we didn't check the gas. Got some gas. Yeah, plenty of gas in there. But that's old gas. But let's try it. Turning it on. Oh yeah, that's, you guys can see that. Never mind. Technical difficulties. Finally, bro. Oh my, dude! I need a chair, bro. I need this chair so bad, bro. So you can stand this up.